Hey guys, how are you doing? Did you know that some behaviors can make people dislike you immediately? It's true. And today, I'm going to show you 6 bad habits that you need to eliminate if you want to be a more likable person and have better personal and professional relationships. So, stay with me until the end of this video. The first habit that pushes people away is being rude or impolite. When you treat others with disrespect, it's very difficult to gain their trust and respect in return. So, if you want to be a likable person, be kind and respectful to everyone, regardless of their social position, age, or gender. The second habit is talking too much about yourself and not giving proper attention to others. It's important to remember that a dialogue is a two-way street, and people want to feel heard and valued. Therefore, actively listen and show genuine interest in other people's stories and opinions. The third habit is being negative all the time. Nobody likes to be around someone who only complains, criticizes, and judges everything and everyone. So, try to maintain a positive attitude, find the good in situations, and try to be a source of positive energy for the people around you. The fourth habit is being disorganized and not keeping your commitments. When you don't keep your commitments, people lose trust in you. Therefore, be organized and keep your commitments and deadlines. The fifth habit is being dishonest or deceitful. When you lie or act dishonestly, you lose people's trust and may have difficulty regaining it. So, always tell the truth and be transparent in your actions. Finally, the sixth habit is being selfish and not caring about the feelings or needs of others. When you only care about your own interests, you end up pushing people away. So, try to be empathetic and show concern for other people. So, now you know what the 6 habits are that make people dislike you immediately. If you have any of these habits, it's time to eliminate them and start working on becoming a more likable and empathetic person. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your like to help us bring more content like this. See you next time.